Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the remnant one again. I want to do this segment on a salad, apple walnut salad. So I have on the left, um, you could either use romaine lettuce. I'm using the romaine lettuce. So I have some apples. I already chopped up the apples and I added it with the lettuce here. So I'm gonna take that out. You just take a apple, half an apple, chop it or dice it. Okay, to the right here is I have some mixed nuts and cranberries, and then to the bottom here is blue cheese and also some chicken. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna add it up and with my dressing. Okay, so I just took some apple juice and some mustard. Okay, and put it on top here. Okay, I'm probably gonna use some ranch for more dressing. Okay, for it to be more flavorful. So this is pretty much it. It's really easy to make. You can use whatever dressing you want. But if you find this video interesting, like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next videos. Until next time.